Hey y'all, it's Brandon. I know it has been a while since I last posted a video, but I'm back today to share with you a very exciting unboxing, something that I ordered not 2 days ago and paid for express shipping because I was so excited. So we're just gonna get into it today without too much waffling. So I purchased this bag from Dillard's. I can't really recall if I've ever purchased from them before. I'm sure I have, but just nothing sticks to mind. I don't typically shop at Dillard's, but this bag, when I first saw this bag, it was only available at Dillard's. Now it's available elsewhere, so kind of wish I'd waited a day, but you know, it's what it is. I was very excited. All right, let's just get into this box. I guess this was the only packaging that I got was a little piece of paper. And you know, as soon as I put this paper down, the cat's gonna find it. So put that there. All right, so I got 2 items. I got an SLG and a bag. Very excited. I promised no waffling, so we're just going to unwrap these treasures. And we're gonna start with the big one because I know that's what you guys are here for. What I'm here for. I'm very excited. Plastic bag. It is well wrapped, so factory wrapping from Dillard's, appreciated. All right, came with a crossbody strap. We're gonna get that out of the way for right a second. All right, you guys can probably see peeking through. All right, got it unwrapped. Beautiful, soft tabby in the blue denim with silver hardware. Just released a couple days ago. Let's do a little bit of an inspection. So far, so good. Let's get it unstuffed too. Alrighty, so here it is. I am loving this blue denim. I love denim, but this is actually my first denim bag from the boutique location. I do have a small, some SLGs and a black denim from the outlet, as well as a tote bag that I use for work. But this is actually the first time I've purchased a denim bag from the boutique because I am a silver and black hardware person. They have yet to come out until just now, blue denim with the silver hardware, at least that I recall. So this is my 3rd soft tabby now. It is my favorite silhouette, or at least one of my favorite silhouettes in recent years from Coach. Just a little 360 silver hardware on the front. Opens up to a linen cotton material lining. It does have a zipper pocket right here on the inside. And then on the back side as well, it has a zipper. Let's get the crossbody strap and top handle unwrapped now. All right, so if you are not familiar, it comes with a top handle with the dog leash clips, so we'll get that on there. I love the top handle that comes with these bags, and in fact use the one that came with my first soft tabby on a bunch of other different bags as well, because it's got a nice length. So there it is with the top handle attached. Now the crossbody strap I just got unwrapped, and I'm very interested to report that it is different from the other 2 soft tabbies that I have. It has a very large silver buckle, and it is kind of like one solid piece of leather with burnished edges, I think, as opposed to, I think the other 2 that I have, the edges of the material is like there's a wrap around as opposed to it being burnished. So that's interesting. It also feels a little bit wider than the other crossbody straps that I have with my soft tabbies, but no complaints here. I love a nice wide crossbody strap, especially when it's leather. And I like the buckle detail on this because it's kind of matches the C in terms of proportion. I think this large buckle is actually quite appropriate for this size of a bag. A little tip when you have a soft tabby, when you're putting on the top handle and crossbody strap, it's always best to have the strap on the front part of the bag, and then when you attach the crossbody strap, to have it on the back side, if that makes sense. So when you're putting the bag on crossbody, you're not like wrapping yourself up in the top handle. So first impressions of the bag is it's good. I don't have any complaints. I don't see any loose stitches, any weird offset or crooked sewing on the pattern of the denim. So I think we're gonna set this guy aside and open up the SLG that I got to go with this bag. Also, for those of you who like their dust bags, this did come with the dust bag included in the bag. It's just this very inexpensive faux satin material. We all know, not a fan. Here is the SLG that I got to go with this bag. Just pop it open. All right, so this is the small zip card case. Also in the blue denim to match the bag because I'm extra like that. I have a couple versions of these zip around card cases and I love them. This one I can tell is going to be really useful because it's got some stretch to it. So interior just has 3 pockets. You can fit a ton of cards in here, cash. The one that I have currently, which I'll show you in a minute, has an outside pocket, which this one does not have, which is interesting. No complaints on material quality or the way that things are stitched together. So we're gonna take the tags off. Oh, and for those of you who are curious, the interior lining of the card case is leather. Like I mentioned on the bag, it's the cotton linen material that they use. I think this is just so adorable and I love these card cases. I think they're perfect for what I typically carry with me. So now let's do a what fits in this bag and we'll just transfer over the stuff from my current bag. All right, so the bag that I've been using this week is my Gotham tote from the Coach store, of course. I love this bag. It is perfect for rainy Oregon days with the coated canvas. It just feels like everything is gonna stay dry and it fits a ton. So we're just gonna move stuff from here to there, you know, as we do, just to show you guys how much the soft tabby will fit. And as always, we have our gentlemanly supervisor coming to check in on the progress of this unboxing. But he is being very scratchy lately and I don't want him to attack this. So anyway, first thing out of my bag is of course my corner wrist ziplet. So that's gonna go in here. My current card case, which I'm gonna move everything over, but this is the bedazzly one that just came out and I got this for Christmas. I was so excited. Love it. We'll put that in a minute. Got a little sunglass case. This is more for like my little clip-on sunglasses, but I like to have a little case for my clip-ons if it's randomly sunny outside and I want to carry that with me. Then I've got some gum and mints, a little pouch with a bunch of quarters in it, some hand sanitizer, battery pack. This is the MagSafe kind that clips onto the back of my phone, and a lippy, and a pen. Always have a pen with a lid, not with a clicky top, because if you put a clicky top in there, you might regret it because it'll come unclipped and then you have a mess on your hands. So let me get everything transferred over, which I'm not going to show you because it's all my debit cards and stuff. All right, so we got this all loaded up. Fits a ton. I really love these things. I think that they work the best. All right, so we got that all loaded up and we're gonna put that in here. And you know, as is typical of the soft tabby, there's still a ton of room left for more things. All right, so I guess last things last is to jump up and do a little bit of a how it fits. Alrighty guys, so here it is on the body. As a reminder, I am 5'10" and 200 pounds. This is just on the drop that it came with. I would probably put it down a little bit further because I usually wear a coat that's pretty big. Up on the shoulder. As always, these are very comfortable for me, and there's extra space for when I am wearing a coat. And if you just want to carry it around top handle, you can do that as well. Very versatile ways of carrying this bag. And I am pleased to report that there are plenty of extra holes on the crossbody strap, so I could extend it pretty far so I could wear a really nice big coat. Alrighty y'all, well let me know down in the comments below what you think of this bag. I personally think it's beautiful and I'm super excited to have it added to my collection. Like I said, this is the third soft tabby that I have in my collection. Let me know if you'd like me to do any comparisons. I do have now 3 different materials, and I can tell that this one's just a little bit different in certain measurements. I think it's a little bit taller maybe, but I would be interested to see them side by side. But let me know if you would be interested in seeing that, and I'd be happy to do it. Alrighty guys, well I think that's all I have for you today. I hope that you are doing well and keeping your head above the water in these uncertain and trying times, at least if you are in North America. I think we're all kind of in the same boat right this second. I'm no longer posting on Instagram, but I am still posting over on TikTok, and you can also follow me on Blue Sky now. The handle is the same as the channel. It's at BBPDX. And as always guys, until the next one, I will see you later. Bye.